is like Christmas. I take a day off, come in and see all the new toys. This is an absolutely beautiful 66 Mustang converted to the Shelby GT-350 look. Lots and lots of money invested in this car. It's done right. Beautiful. Red with the white stripes. Hood scoop. Front and rear spoilers. Side spoilers. Side scoops. GT-350 stripes. Correct looking wheels on the car for the Shelby. Beautiful wheels and tires. Really nice black bucket seat interior. Original keys go with the car. Very nice dash, show quality. Nice wood wheel, and yes, 4-speed. The underneath this car looks like new. Obviously new pans put in it. The beautiful Shelby taillights. Great looking bumper exit exhaust there, the dual exhaust chrome tips. Really sharp little Mustang. Nice painted and detailed underneath. Very, very nice and clean everywhere. And as you know, you got to be careful with the vintage Mustangs. This one's like new. Nice straight body. Excellent paint. This is a fresh car. Take a peek under the hood. And a beautiful hood it is. There you go right there. Beautifully detailed under the hood. As you can see, lots and lots of money invested and lots of time invested in the restoration and the build of this special Mustang. Great performing 289. Definitely not putting out just the same stock horsepower. I'll let you listen to it. Let's start it up. I hope the video is showing the really nice quality of this paint too. Inside and out, very, very nice. Does have a late day cassette system in it. All stock dash. Let's fire this little pony car up. Definitely lots more torque than factory stock, because this whole car rocks when you throttle the gas a little bit. Awesome sounding car. Let's go back and listen to it at the back. Now that's the way a muscle car should sound. Sweet rumble, 289 style. If you have an interest in this spectacular 66 coupe Shelby GT-350 recreation, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319. Awesome car. Absolutely beautiful everywhere you look. Make sure you don't get a Mustang. Get a nice Mustang like this one. I love the scoops. Doesn't get any better than that.